If you can't braid, then I have an easy method for you. Come and learn this method. Hey beautiful people, welcome back, or welcome to Labelle's Lifestyle. If you can't braid, or if you can braid and you want a very easy way to do the Faux Locs style, then you are at the right place. I'll be using the rubber bands, but don't worry, you won't see them. No one will know. The hair that I'm using is the Ghana twist, 16 inches. If you want your hair to be longer, then you can use a pack with more inches. The color that I'm using is 1B. This hair is light, it is itch-free, and it is also pre-stretched, and this makes it easier to work with. Normally, to do this style, they would braid the hair, then crochet in the extension, but today we're going to skip that part. With this method, all you need to do is wrap, 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 and wrap. Once you can wrap, then you can do the style. I have gone ahead and section her hair, put in the rubber bands. So what we will be doing now is just to put in the hair. It is very simple. You're going to need your crochet needle to put in the hair, and don't worry, we can crochet. All right, so you're gonna hold the hair, or you're gonna fold it into thirds or 3 parts. You're gonna use 1/3, and that part will be the part that you're going to hold in your hand while you wrap 2/3. I don't know if you get the math, but we're gonna fold the hair then in 3 equal parts. So 1 part we're going to use as the length of our hair, while we wrap the other 2 parts, the other section, around it. So that's all we're going to do. We're going to wrap. To style the hair so that it looks neat and to hide her hair, I'll be applying the Olives styling gel edge control, and this edge control is great for both natural and relaxed hair, and it gives the hair a very strong hold. So I like this gel, and by the way, this is not a paid promotion. I just like this gel. I like what it does, so I'm sharing with you the gel that I'm using to hide her hair so that the style looks neat. I'm going to apply the edge control. I'm going to put her hair under the extension, and then I'm going to wrap the extension around the rubber band 3 times, and then all I'm going to do is just wrap, 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 just like that until we reach the end. So I'm going to use my thumb and my index finger to guide the hair, and guys, this is no feed in, so you don't have to worry about not being able to do feed in. You're not feeding it anything. All you're doing is wrapping the hair around the hair. It is as easy as ABC, just like that. Wrap, 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 and that's it. While wrapping the hair, you don't have to worry about it looking neat, because the Faux Locs style, it has a distressed look. So what I do to get that look is I rub my hands along the hair when I am finished braiding. So at the end of wrapping the hair around the braid, I made a knot, and that's it. Knot the end of the hair, and then I cut the excess hair from the braid, and that is how we get the distressed look. She doesn't want a lot of hair on her head, so I have done them reasonable sized, and I have used 1 pack and 2 bundles from another pack. But if you want your hair to be fuller, then you can do them smaller and use more hair. So you could consider using about 3 packs depending on the length that you want and how full you want your hair to look. We're on the home stretch. We're on the last braid. Beautiful people, to watch more videos like these, you can just check out the description box. There are tons of videos there that I have shared. How to grow your natural hair, how to take care of your hair care tips. Just check out the description box to watch more videos like these, or click on the end screen to watch another video. Now I am cutting the excess hair from the braid, and it is this easy to do the style. What I'm gonna do next is do her edges just to make the style complete. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, come and be a part of the family. Thank you for watching. Take care and walk good.